Thank you for tuning back into another edition of the PulseWave Report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com. All right, so real quick, as we're tracking these markets here for you, if you take a look at the gold futures here, you can see that the bears are still clearly in control of this market. Here's your crash alert back here, and now we're starting to get that downside production. The question is it going to take out the previous support at this point and keep falling? There's a very, very big chance that that is definitely going to be the case here with these gold futures. So look out below. Next up, we have silver futures. Silver futures, you can see here, it's a similar chart pattern, but you're not really getting that downdraft. Bears are still clearly in control. Here's your crash alert back here, but we've yet to get that downside production coming from silver. Once again, here's a bearish pointer. I think the market does want to come down and take out those prior lows. Last but not least, here's the Bitcoin futures. This is one of the reasons why you really need the PulseWave price trigger reports, all right? Because as you can see here, the bears were clearly in control of the market. Here's the crash alert. Look at this incredible downside production you got. Then all of a sudden, the market reverses, and here is your rally alert. And now the market's poised to break through 20,000 on the upside once again. Boy, you can tell I am tired. I've been in the lab all day. You guys just say, hey, there's no screen. Good grief. So I got to start all over again. But since we got the Bitcoin chart up, like I was saying, here is the crash alert back here. You got all this downside production. Now we have a rally alert, and the market is getting ready now, poised to break back through the 20,000 and keep right on trucking. Like I said, the new support, when this is all said and done, is about to be between 20 to 22,000. That'll be the new support as the market builds and rallies to 30 and then to 50,000. So you just got to be prepared for all of this as the market is poised to do so. This is why you need the PulseWave price trigger reports, because of this type of volatility. These markets can do anything they want. You just have to be ready so you can capture the movement when it comes. All right. Now, there is a concern because of the bearish pointer back here that we can do one last downdraft before shooting back up to the moon. But right now, it's looking like it's poised to give one more leg up. We may just come back to this later on, or maybe even not. Right now, Bitcoin is doing whatever it can do. It's on a whole nother level. All right, let's go back to the gold chart because you didn't get a chance to see it. All right, here's gold. Here's how the bears are in control of this one. Here's your crash alert. Here's you're starting to get that downside production. I think the market wants to come down here and take out that support. So you really need to look out below in the precious metals. As far as silver is concerned, here's the silver chart. Same situation, but we haven't got that downside momentum just yet. Here's the crash alert. And I think the market wants to come down here and test this one too. This is a bearish pointer. The gold futures didn't really have one, but this one right here on the silver is clear. So definitely look out below when it comes to these, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's see here. You want to look at platinum. All right, let me see what I got for you on the platinum. I'm sure I got something here for you. Just let me take a look. Let's see. At least I thought I had. Okay, I see palladium. Let me see if I can find the platinum on that one. Let me see. Just give me a moment. Let me see if I can pull that up. I'm not even sure what the repository is. No. Just give me a second. It's going to take a little bit of doing there. Looking for that platinum. Okay, I found the ticker. The repository has a different ticker for platinum, so sorry about that. Just give me a moment to pull up the correct contract for you. Okay, I think I've located it. So let's see. The way this is looking, I don't think that's the right chart. Let me check the other one out. Just give me a second. Sometimes the repositories, yep, okay, this is it. This is the right one. I believe this is the right one. You guys who traded actively, I haven't traded platinum and I don't in ages. So you guys can tell me if this is it. Okay, so it looks like we had a closing price today around 33.90, I believe. Okay, so I think that's it. But if this is it, then here's the rally alert. We haven't got any upside production yet, and it's looking like temporarily the market is flip-flopping from bullish back to bearish back to bullish. So this one, we'll see if we get some upside production. But nevertheless, you're in the trading range. So support's going to be around here. Resistance is around here. So yeah, this one we'll have to wait and see. All right, the next one you guys got here, you want me to take a look at Yamaha motor? Okay, let's see. See what we got for you on this one. And 72.22, huh? 72.22. Let me see. Let me see about that one. 72.72. Okay, I see a Yamaha. The only question is, okay, I don't see one. I'm not sure which one to give you. I have several various exchanges. Let's see. I don't. Some of these suffixes, I'm not sure what exchange it is. I see a Hong Kong. I see a Frankfurt, and I got a BE suffix and a T suffix. Not sure which one to give you. I don't know. That's the downside. I don't know. I have an MU and I also have an SG. I have no idea. Let's go with this one, and then you tell me if the price looks right to you, and then we'll take it from there. All right. This one looks weird, so I don't know if this is it, but let's see. Looks like the closing price was around $16.86, something like that. If this is the right chart, which I don't know, this one is really spotty all over the place, and it's looking like the bears have the control. Here's a crash alert. You already got some downside production. I think he wants to pull back to 15. All right, so that's that one. All right, then the next one you want to see is SVL. All right, Silver Mines. I got you. I remember that one. All right, so We have a crash alert for tomorrow's trading on silver mines as well. Yeah, this one's in a weird consolidation type of a pattern with ebb and flows within the consolidation. So this one's just kind of doing absolutely nothing. For charts like this, when it's securities that really aren't doing anything, not doing much, you might want to look at um, the weekly price triggers versus the dailies, because you might find that that will work a little bit better for you. So just think about that one. All right. On the platinum, you said it's closer to 1,000. All right. Let me see what I got on here so far. Okay. So it's this one then. It's this one. All right. So it's this platinum right here. This is it. The messed up chart. Okay, yeah, because it closed around $1,014.40. Yep, New York Mercantile Exchange Platinum. Okay, this is it right here. So here's the crash alert. Here's all the downside production on this one. Trend line support around 950 looks to be the target. So yeah, I can add this one to the futures report. All right, Link. Let's see what we got on Link. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Link. Ah, here we go. All right, so here is a link on the crypto side. We have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading for Link. Once again, when you have some that move a little crazy, like I said, you can always defer to the weeklies on some of the crazier looking charts, or the ones that barely do any movement, have any movement. You can look at those. But this one's flip-flopping all over the place. So right now it's looking like it's flipped back to a bearish. The day before that we're bullish. The day before that we were bearish. The day before that we were bullish. So it's just flip-flopping all around the place, and it's in a consolidation phase. So it's really not doing much. So you may want to flip to the weeklies on the link. All right, so the platinum, now that we know which one it is, give me just a second here. I'm going to add this one to the futures report. All right, that's platinum. Now that we know what it is, and it should be on the next report. All right, give me a second. Yep, this should do it for you. Yep, I'm adding it right now. Just added it, so it should be on the next report. It's going to be under the futures futures tab on the futures report. All right, let's see. You said, do I have ZNOG or PLTR? Let me double check. Let's see if we have those in the reports or not. I'm taking it those are equities, right? So let's see what we got. All right. Let's see, ZNOG. All right, that's Zion Oil and Gas. All right, let's see. Let's take a look. Nope, I just added Zion to the report for you. It's going to be on the U.S. equity report. And then you want to know Plantar. Let's see. I could almost sworn I've seen that. So I've seen that on our end of day report before. So let me see. Planetar Technologies. I'm almost certain this one's on there. Let me see. Yeah, PLTR is on the U.S. equity dash. If you go on your dashboard, look under the U.S. equity tab. PLTR is definitely on there, so you can definitely find that on there. All right, so give me a second. We'll pull up the first one, the ZNOG, Zion Oil. All right, so here is the Zion oil and gas. All right, a little wild chart here. All right, so right now bears are in control. Here's your crash alert. Here's the downside production you're getting. Trend line support around the 75 cents to 70 cent is the initial target for the pullback. Plus you got this bearish pointer right here. And so I think that's where the market wants to go. And then after it washes out, it's going to come up here and take this out. All right, so I think that's where you are right now with this one. All right, and then the other one was the PLTR. Let's see here. All right, Palantir Technologies. This one is already on the reports. Let's pull up the dashboard. Okay, this one doesn't have enough data. This one does not have enough data. So that's probably why you don't see it on the dashboard. It's going to take a while. I need at least probably a year's worth of data on a security in order for it to pull up, because the thousands of algorithms that I'm running, it looks at a lot of stuff, and I need a lot of data in order for it to run through the system. But for right now, this is what I'm getting. At least I'm getting it to chart up barely, but it's doing it. Right now, you have a rally alert here, and this we're starting to get a little bit of upside production on it. But this one right here is bullish, as you can see the uptrend here. So this one is bullish at this time. All right, so that's all for tonight, folks. I will holler at y'all tomorrow. Y'all know what it is. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I want to say what's up to everybody in the live chat. What's up, Antonio and Dave and Spoon? What up? What up, Fran? What up, Loco? What up, M. Holmes? What up, Jane? What up, Darian? Smash that like button for me. I appreciate the love. And I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace.